Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're returning, how are you? Well, I have listened to all of you guys once again. I did. When I was doing my shopping at Aldi the other day, I came across a vacuum food sealer. Now, I've never used one of these. I have no idea how they work. So I'm going to need you guys to tell me what to do. So I found the vacuum food sealer. It was $29.99. Now I know this is not like, a big brand. I know it's probably not the best one out there, but listen, it was within my price range. And you know that I like to find my preps on a dime, within budget. And if I can find them within budget, I'm going to pass it along to you, because I know that a lot of you guys work within a certain budget. So whatever I find, I'm going to share it with you, okay? So this was $29.99. Now, the food sealer refills were $9.99. So I got 2 boxes of those. So, tell me how it works. I'll be waiting. Because I have no clue. I really don't. So it says here that it's easy to use. There's 3 functions and it's airtight sealing. Well, yay! Easy to use. For who? It does 3, I guess that's 3 times, it says right here. 3 times, 1 quart vacuum sealer bags, 2 times 1 gallon vacuum sealer bags, and 1 vacuum sealer. Oh, my bad. It comes with 3 1 quart vacuum sealer bags, 2 1 gallon vacuum sealer bags, and 1 vacuum sealer roll. Okay. Ideal for the airtight and waterproof preservation of foods, for maintaining flavor. Use with any food sealer bag or roll. Okay. The content are vacuum seal food sealer. It comes with sealer bags, a replacement gasket. There's a gasket. Awesome. Four simple buttons for ease of use. Integrated film center for cutting films to desired size. So yeah, for $29.99, I mean, and plus, what I've heard from you guys is this. It will make more room in my freezer. Okay. And plus, I guess this is also a way to portion out meals. Like if you bulk buy like I do. And you know how, okay, you buy a pack of boneless, skinless chicken breasts. Well, there's generally like 6, 7, 8 chicken breasts in one of those yellow styrofoam, with the plastic around it. So I would take out like all the chicken breast and do like 2 chicken breast per one of these, right? Is that how that, okay, I don't, see, this is what I mean. I don't know. So I guess I'll have to watch some videos, but I'd rather have you guys tell me how you do it, because I like to converse with you guys. Do you see what I mean? So, okay. So, sound off in the comments. Pretty please. Cherry on top. Love you. And tell me what to do, please. So, if you have an Aldi near you, $29.99, $9.99. Not a bad deal at all. Hopefully it works as good as like the, you know, the $150 one that's a name brand. So, all right, guys, that's all for this video. I love you. I'll see you in the next one. Stay safe and keep prepping. And stay positive. Okay. Bye.